Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susanna and I do lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. For today, I did a Y2K makeup look. If you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned, keep watching, and let's get started. For this look, I'm going to be using the 35i Fantasy Palette by Morphe, and the shade I'm going to be dipping into is the shade Dreamer, which is a beautiful violet color, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid and use it as my base shade. Next, with the shade Sky High, I'm going to place that on my outer crease and blend the two shades together. To deepen my outer V, I'm going to be going in with the shade Deliver Shiver and blend that upwards into my crease. Next, with the shade Holothermia, I'm going to pack that all over my lid and be generous with the shade. Don't be scared to pack it on because this is the eye catcher of this look. Lastly, with the shade Arctic Abyss, we're going to place this on our outer V just to deepen it even more and to tie the whole look together. I decided to add eyeliner into this look. If you're wondering what I use, I always use the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D in the shade Trooper. With the Q-tip and a little bit of makeup remover, I'm going to clean up some of the fallout and also clean up the ends of the look. For face, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to apply my concealer along with my contour before I apply my foundation. I saw this girl do it on TikTok and I had to try it myself. She recommended using a concealer that was lighter than your shade and a contour that was slightly darker than your average shade. And when you blend those two out, it's gonna look very, very crazy and scary at first, but trust the process. The foundation is going to blend it together and even everything out. And for blush, I'm going to be going in with Swiss Dot from The Balm Cosmetics. This blush is so pigmented. I put way too much on. No one will ever make me blush that hard, okay? Like, no. So with a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to tone it down a notch and even it out. To set my contour, I'm going to be using the bronzer that I always use, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. And to set my face, I'm going to be going in with my holy grail setting powder, which is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in the shade Pound Cake. Going back into the palette, I'm going to be using the shade Sky High for my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes to prep them for my falsies. Before I apply my false lashes, I'm going to dust off my setting powder because it has been baking for long enough. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the style Rose from Dollar Lash Club. To line my lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner from Boutique Defining Lip Pencil in the shade Sienna. I think I'm crazy. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? But I say doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. But I wanna keep you, but you making you keep it. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, I'm going to be using the shade Honey to fill it in. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to be topping it off with some lip gloss from Morphe Cosmetics in the shade Freebird. Do not sleep on their lip glosses, guys. They are only $9 and they are not sticky. They are so comfortable and pigmented. And there you have it, guys. That is the completed Y2K look. I had so much fun looking up inspirations on Pinterest. It seemed like the 2000s was really into lilac and pastel colors, along with arched brows and reddish brownish lips. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And would this even be a Y2K video if I didn't channel my inner Regina George? Like, boo you whore. Bye, guys.